I was at Atu Optics recently, and a girl came there, and this girl, no lenses were working for her left eye, and she told us that her father used a belt to flog her. And when they went to the hospital, they went from telling her A1 glaucoma to optic nerve atrophy. Basically, her eye, the wire where they connect her camera lens to her CPU, to her brain, don't die or they die. So on this Starville school thing, like, I know they like Puma for people matter, right? Because it takes two to tango most times. Yeah. The teacher, why you go lose control to go hit person picking with hand? You get? The most you should be doing is, if you're flogging the person, make them not even see mark, you go slap him with hand, which means you are most likely out of control. What if your hand hits him eye? Anything what they talk, for your anger, for a moment of anger. It takes two to tango. Now the parents, you can't go to slap that man. You now way big, can't go to slap that man. What if you fall in no stand up? You get? Yeah. Because me, first of all, it won't happen to me. You get? Because none of my spirits would allow something that somebody's tempting me to show them what I will do. Yeah. So it won't even happen to me. I will akogul. Yeah. And more achuga aja akogul, more akaligo akogul. So it won't even happen to me. Yeah. But if that kind of thing happen, I'll come go to slap you. Man, slap you, make die, man, go sit down inside jail. No. Now, you guys, if you want make I come out, make the alaye way I go report you to, where I go petition you to. Wako umwaro keje amaola. Aro kaginya ye okuno omo onye kambu. Yeah, we tell like one ibune before I not put more account. So now be my own take on the Starville incident, since all the other public figures are giving their takes.